During planning, you built a change management plan that describes how to handle project changes. Now that the project is underway, it's time to put that plan to work. Let's say a change request comes in. You assign someone to evaluate the request, add it to the change request log, and submit it to the change review board, along with your recommendation to either approve or reject it. If the request is rejected, let the requester know. Make sure no one on the team starts working on it in anticipation of its approval. However, if the request is approved, you assign someone to keep an eye on it. That person updates the baseline documents to reflect the change. Maybe new tasks are needed, or the project finish date moves, or cost increases. Tag baseline document edits with the change request number. That way, it's easy to see where modifications came from. The owner of the change request also adds status to the change request log, reports on progress, and shepherds the request through to completion. At that point, the owner makes one last update in the change request log to show the actual hours, cost, and project finish date if it's changed. What if a change request has a big impact? I mean, really big. The change request board's authority does have limits. Here are a couple of exceptions to the change request approval process. Suppose a change request affects the project's business case. In that situation, the customer needs to approve the change request. If a change request affects other projects, take the request to your organization's executive board for approval. Emergencies are another special case. When a change request can't wait for the next change review board meeting, you need to act fast. Think about getting an emergency review board meeting, or you can ask the customer or sponsor to approve the request. Change is a fact of project life. By managing change requests, you can approve the ones that make sense and keep your project on track. For practice, describe what you would do for the change request depicted in the exercise files.